Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we are going to bring you something new. Last year we were here at the Forest River Coachman Expo and we introduced you to the Euro, which was a brand new motorhome that Coachman introduced. Well, for 2025 they have two new variations of that. This is the 25LE. So are you just starting to get into the market? Do you like that Euro styling? Want something a little more compact, but not only compact in size, but a little bit of compactness in pricing? Well, Coachman's answered the response to their consumers. They've introduced a 25LE, which is basically the Euro itself, just with some minor modifications to help keep that price point really great and advantageous. Up front, we have that swooped up windshield, very European inspired. You know, they did go over to Europe to develop this unit, look at what was being done in Europe, and here they have it. And it's been extremely popular over the years. So for 2025, they're expanding out their options. The sofa is a sleeper sofa. You have the beautiful windows with the integrated night-day shades, Euro-style cabinets that are good-sized cabinets to get a fair amount of gear in. Now, I like the kitchenette here. This is a great layout, lots of prep space. You know, you have a double-wide stainless steel sink, and we're going to pop this open. This is what they call their coach care system. And the reason they call that coach care is that's exactly what it is. It's for caring for your coach. You have your garbage here. You have your cleaners that are all set that you can simply pick it up and take it with you when you're doing a bit of house cleaning. That locks in place. Solid surface countertops with the LED backlighting is really nice. Dual induction cooktop. We have our convection microwave on board, as we don't have an oven because you don't need it when you have a convection microwave. Off to the side here, we have a great pantry, which is right across from your kitchen prep area. There's 6 drawers here in the kitchen. You don't typically see that a lot. Now, as we make our way to the freezer has bins that slide out to keep things nice and organized, and a really good size fridge here. Now, storage-wise, let's pop this open. Nice big wardrobe that's deep with shelving, and it's a twin bed setup so that you have a great sleeping area back here, but very easy to get into. And I'll just come and sit down here so that you can actually see. It's really easy to get into if you have some mobility issues with either knees or hip problems. Yes, there are a couple of steps, but reasonable enough to actually get in and out of. Now, as we look at the washroom here, good sized washroom, good space to step out, get dressed. Medicine cabinet. Hi, everyone. And just overall, a nice compact package. Now, this is the non-slide out unit, but you can see it's not limited for living space. Really well appointed, wide aisles, good living space for a non-slide unit. And that just helps keep the price point a little bit better. If you like the video, please click the like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and it helps the channel. Now, in a variety of the Coachman coaches, they have a variety of options between solar availability. You can upgrade your traditional batteries to lithium, and there's 2 lithium upgrades. You can go to a 460 kilowatt, or 460 watt, kilowatt, that'd be pretty impressive. 460 watt lithium package, or you can even double that to go to a 920 watt lithium package. However, these are equipped with generators. And in an A class, honestly, I don't know if I would do lithium. The generator is going to give you all the power. I would say, you know, save your dollars, run the traditional batteries. They're also less expensive. And because you have that generator, and typically a 5.5 kilowatt generator in an A-class motorhome will run 5 to 10 days, depending on usage of ACs and convection microwaves, etc. That's a lot of runtime that a battery will not give you. Now, as we look up to the ceiling, we have the integrated LED light strips, so it really makes it bright in here without being over bright or intrusive. But this is a great addition to the Coachman line. I'm pretty impressed, especially for a non-slide unit, seeing the amount of living space and storage space you get in here. If you're in the market for an A-class, want to be a little bit different, the Euros might be something to be looking at. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed the video on the 2025 Coachman Euro 25 LE. We'll bring you another floor plan shortly on the Euro with a special stealth package. Thanks again, everyone. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you back at the channel soon. Take care.